What if you could share the story of Apple with your kids without a screen? This is The Adventures of Cupertino, the first coloring book that turns tech history into a hands-on adventure for ages 4 to 12. From the wooden Apple I built in a garage to the iPhone that changed everything. But here's what makes it different. We don't just show the hits. You'll find the Newton, the Pippin console, even the floating G4 Cube. The experiments that didn't make it big, but taught us how innovation really works. 74 pages, 13 milestones, simple stories, detailed illustrations, and bonus activities to spark curiosity. It's already a fan favorite in Italy, ranked number 2 most gifted in science biographies on Amazon.it. No Wi-Fi needed. No apps. Just crayons, imagination, and real stories. Perfect for parents who grew up with Apple and kids who are growing up with screens. Turn off the tablet, grab some colors. Let's color history together. Available now on Amazon.